Three, two, one. Hi, everybody. I'm Shawn Patrick Higgins, a middle school computer science teacher from Portland, Oregon. And in this video, we are coming at you with a quick tip to increase your students' engagement in coding and media sampling. When I'm leading trainings, I always say to teachers, teaching CS is just like teaching cooking. If you're using lousy or generic ingredients, of course your students won't be into what you're doing. Your code is your technicals, your design is your presentation, but your media is the ingredients. If you want your students hyped about what they're coding, you need to empower them to cook with ingredients they love, and the ability to quickly sample media from the world around them, both digitally and physically, is key to making their experience a positive one. The quickest way to visually sample an image for coding is to take a screenshot or a photo of the media you want. Crop the image as close as you can, and then use an AI removal tool to take out the background. Then you can make any adjustments as needed to clean up the final product and save it as a PNG with transparency so you can use it for coding. If you don't already know, taking a screenshot and cropping it is super easy on any platform. You can use Shift-Command-4 on a Mac, Control-Show Window on a Chromebook, or the snipping tool in Windows. Alternatively, you could use a platform-neutral solution such as Nimbus Capture or Snagit. If you're wanting to use an image you photographed with your phone, you can use the phone's built-in cropping tool and then just send it over to your computer. Now, of course, you could do this manually with a graphic design tool like Photoshop or Photopea, or even Scratch's built-in image editor. But with the rise of free, web-based AI removal tools, making and sampling visual assets is easier and faster than ever. Two of the best that I found are either Remove BG or Pixlr's recently added Remove Background feature. The process couldn't be simpler. Just load it in and it does the rest. Both the tools offer the ability to fine-tune if the AI doesn't work perfectly, but often it does. And if your students want to pose for photos and do this, for the best possible outcome, make sure your images are well lit and the subject has a contrasting background behind them. Once you've had practice, it should take your students less than 30 seconds start to finish to sample anything from Twitch to Instagram to family photos on the fridge. So congratulations on taking the first steps in empowering your students to have the ability to visually manifest their world, passions, and fandoms in their coding. In the next video, we'll review how to do the same for sampling audio and then finally for sampling video. Thank you so much for doing the work you do, and keep on scratching. For more videos like this, be sure to follow CS for All Teachers on all the social medias.